What is going on, you guys? Welcome to the video. So we got this new HOBBYWING Max 6 ESC for the X-maxx. This is Gavin's. He just blew his motor. She's smoked, so bro's gotta pick up a new motor. That's gonna hurt the bank account a little bit, huh? Yeah. Don't want to talk about it?
No. No.
But we got ours right here, so we're gonna go ahead and get this sucker open. See, we're working. I'm excited to see this thing when I spent so much money on it. Look at that beauty. Oh, yeah. Beautiful power button. We got some motor connectors that we're not going to use. Stock X-maxx ESC out. Here's a little side-by-side comparison. They're basically the same size, so Max 6, stock X-maxx ESC. HOBBYWING's obviously just looking way sexier than this ugly Traxxas VXL 8S. Just going to get rid of that. Put on this bad boy.
If there's a camera guy over here like this?
For sure.
I could. Trip. Yo, as you can see right here, we have this beautiful masterpiece. Okay, this is a one-off, one-of-a-kind Speciale HOBBYWING Max 6 with Traxxas connectors. Okay, this is like diamonds if there weren't warehouses full of diamonds. You know what I mean? So, yeah, that's pretty much that. We're gonna be running these plugs for now, even though I really do not want to run these. I really like the Spectrum style plugs. Those are straight beauties, but you know, we're stuck with this. So, yeah. All we did was just, you know, solder these bad boys on. Pretty easy. We did have to cut the suckers off these, though, because I don't know what kind of solder Traxxas be using. It's that freaking Superman solder. It would not come off. So, yeah. But we had to trim this. We're going to hit this with a quick Dremel. Make that look all nice and purty. And then we should just be able to smack this baby in with some servo tape. Beautiful. We got the HOBBYWING ESC all in. We just connected the batteries. We're gonna go ahead and turn it on and set the throttle trim with the remote, and hopefully get this thing running. Freaking fat paper. 6, 7. So it's on mode 1. So now I just hit 1. Now it's on option 2. It is 7.4 volts. Now it is set. Servo is now running at 7.4 volts instead of 6 volts, so that thing should have way more torque. Oh my god, that's insane! It's so fast. Tap on. Bam, check it out. It's all back together now. Ready to rip. Got him picked up his new motor. Whole 250 bones. Is that thing nice? Yeah. She beautiful? Did it come with anything else besides the motor or no? No fans or nothing for 250?
Nothing.
Damn, that's straight. That's some booty tickle. Dude, I just want to see this thing run again. Dude, we both have full charged batteries. Oh yes, this is gonna be sick. Look at that beauty of a specimen right there. Guys, we got the new Max 6 ESC. This is gonna be our first run. Go ahead and turn that bad boy on. Look at that steering. Gavin's is all running too. My X-maxx has the Max 6 ESC. Gavin's is completely stock. So we're running this thing on level 5. Yeah, we're just gonna let it eat. You ready? You ready, Gavin? 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah, it is. Smoked them.
Not off the line.
Yeah, you can't do that. You think I got that power? Yeah, it does. I almost had it, bro. Bro literally has the hinge fin kit, but he didn't put it on. Now he just broke it. Come on, brother. Oh, stop. Oh my gosh, brother. Guys, that's gonna wrap up the video. I hope you all enjoyed. We ended up smoking the brand new Savix servo we threw in this thing, but Savix is gonna go ahead and take care of that for us, so that's awesome. They're gonna send us out a new one, but yeah, she's gonna be down for a little bit. We did get a little something special, a little Creighton 8S action, so stay tuned for that video. It will be coming to you guys shortly, probably in like 5 days from this video, so stay tuned. But I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys are loving how this X-maxx build is going. I freaking love this thing. This is my baby. Now that we have the Creighton, we'll be doing a lot more bashing with that thing and a little bit more building with the old X-maxx, getting this thing looking up to par and just being my little special baby. But thanks for watching. Please smash the subscribe button, helps a ton. Please smash that like button, comment what you guys want to see next. And that's going to end off the video. See you guys in the next one. Peace.